Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add a confirmation dialog box for cash on delivery payment in WooCommerce checkout in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code, we are going to add confirmation dialog box when person select cash on delivery in checkout page. Now you see, are you sure you want to place the order with cash on delivery? So you can customize this text according to your requirement. And then you see confirm cancel button text, and scroll down, you see custom CSS. So you can customize design according to your requirement. Now you see. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page, refresh the page. Then scroll down, on left side you see review and payment tab, so click on it. Now you see product in checkout page, and scroll down, select cash on delivery. Now you see, are you sure you want to place the order with cash on delivery? You see button confirm cancel, so click on confirm and then click on place order. So you can customize confirmation dialog box design according to your requirement, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. Again select check payment. Now select cash on delivery again. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.